So you enter the BIOS on F2 key, you go to configuration tab and you have to disable Intel VMD controller. You disable that, and also you go to security and you have to disable secure boot, and then you can boot your hard drive.